Assalamualaikum. My name is Zahri Kemal bin Zahari. I'm student from Ungkoma Polytechnics. My metric number is 01 DPU3002205. And my partner name is Amirul Muhaimin bin Faizal Nizam. Metric number 01 DPU20F2022. And our lecturer name is Miss Zara Natasha for subject DUE30022 Communicative English. And for today, me and my partner will do our presentation. Our presentation title which is product or service related to our field study. So my courses is air conditioning and refrigeration. So we choose product which is refrigerator. Okay, so this is an introduction of refrigerator. A refrigerator is an open system that disperses heat from a closed space to a warmer area, usually a kitchen or another room. By dispelling the heat from this area, it decreases in temperature, allowing food and other items to remain at a cool temperature. A refrigerator is a machine used for keeping things cold. It is sometimes called a fridge or an icebox. It is normally maintained at 4 or 5 degrees Celsius for household use. People put food and drinks in to keep those items cold or good for a longer time. So my partner chose a refrigerator because refrigerators are the most things that should add in every home. Brand that we choose for refrigerator brand is Hitachi. This product is from Japan, so we can know that product from Japan is very high quality for their customer. So my partner and I will present some features, characteristic, function and all about this brand to you guys. Okay, so for target consumer, we target middle class people and the lower middle class people. Second, target people who are health conscious. Third, who are need safety and precautions in their food from germs and bacteria. Okay, for features for this refrigeration, on the left side, there are water and ice dispenser. It's undeniable that ice and water dispenser offer a lot of convenience when added to a refrigerator. Being able to fill a glass with a cube or crushed ice and then immediately fill it with drinking water makes it very easy to prepare family meals or entertain guests. The easy access makes it more likely that your family will drink plenty of water to stay hydrated throughout the day. Some manufacturers design the water dispenser so that pitchers and other tall containers can be easily filled. And because the ice maker works automatically, you are no longer required to monitor the ice supply and fill ice trays manually every day or two. In the most up-to-date refrigerator models, you can add carbon dioxide to make sparkling water or pure hot water for instant drinks. On the right side, there are more space to insert your food because this refrigerator has 4 doors. You can insert your food on top shelf, middle shelf or bottom shelf. Okay, for characteristic for this refrigeration is food management. In this refrigeration has many compartments. There are top shelf, middle shelf and bottom shelf. At the bottom shelf, there are 2 parts. One to put your vegetables and the other part is to put your fruits. At the leftover, you can put some yogurt and quick snacks. And the meat you can put at the coldest part at the fridge. Okay, and the other characteristic for this refrigeration is easy to find. Because refrigeration is big and people usually put their refrigerator at kitchen. Okay, for the function of the refrigerator is the purpose of refrigerator is to keep food safe to eat for weeks or even a month. Second, the basic idea behind refrigerator is to slow down the activity of bacteria which all food contains, so that it takes longer for the bacteria to spoil the food. Okay, so for the value of the product, for the strain, first, plenty of room to put wet or dry food. Second, in the summer season, refrigerators also keep your water and other drinks cool so that you can enjoy drinking them to the best. They also have freezers which lets you freeze water into ice, which can use for many other purpose. And for the weakness, first, avoid the formation of mold. Since there is no humidity in the fridge due to ventilation system, it is more difficult for moths and bacteria to proliferate, which deteriorate food. Second, poor maintenance. Unlike static refrigerators, it does not require special maintenance, but not on the contrary has a safe cleaning system, which also guarantee the best functioning over time. Okay, so the solution for the weakness is first, check the door seals. A loose seal allows cool air to seep out, wasting energy and causing your fridge to work harder than it needs to. First, make sure that the seals are free of food residue. Clean them about twice a year using a toothbrush and a solution of baking soda and water. Then try the dollar bill test. Close the bill in the door so that half is in and half is out. If it slips out easily, you may need to have the door seals checked by a pro. Second, keep the coils clean. When the condenser coils were covered with dust, the refrigerator can run efficiently. Twice a year, pull the machine from wall to reveal a coils in back, or snap off the grill if the coils are on the bottom front. Unplug the refrigerator and vacuum with the brush attachment. Okay, so for the part 2, I give to Amirul Muhaimin to continue. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Miss Zara and my fellow friend. My name is Amirul Muhaimin bin Faizal Nizam. My metric number is 01DPU30022. So I as a representative will continue my part. Today I will describe some of the features found on Hitachi brand refrigerator. First and foremost is energy efficiency. The average refrigerator lifespan is believed to be around 13 years across all types of refrigerator. Furthermore, if your refrigerator was purchased more than 16 years ago, it could be using twice as much energy as most Energy Star's model, costing you an extra $300 on your annually utility cost. When it comes to preventing spoiled milk, infected eggs, and ropey ice cream, energy savings boils down to minimizing the amount of cool air that escapes the fridge. As a result, it's a good idea to search for the Energy Star logo when you're looking for a new refrigerator. These models come with improved gaskets that keep your fridge sealed tight while it's not being accessed. Second feature is automatic temperature control. Nothing is more disheartening than spoiled berries and wilted herbs not even a week after you went shopping. To put an end to despair, many refrigerators are engineered with preset temperature controls that automatically balance both temperature and humidity. So next, a description of the cooling function. First and foremost is to refrigerate food and beverage. This is because the refrigerator has a temperature. We can change it cold or medium. Temperature plays as a role in cooling food and making food last longer. The second is to keep the drinking water bottle for cooling. The description of the second point is not too much different from the first point. The temperature serves to cool the bottled water so that the water becomes cool and fresh. Okay, now the strength of a refrigerator. The refrigerator now comes with an energy guide label that tell you in a kilowatt hours how much electricity a particular model use in a year. The smaller the number, the less energy the refrigerator use and the less cost you need to operate. It full-size refrigerator that exceed federal standard by around 15% or more are eligible for the Energy Star label. Refrigerator and compact freezer must exceed the standard by 20% to quality for Energy Star. The next strength of refrigeration is constant temperature. Constant temperature refrigerator are guaranteed to maintain the USP quality storage condition specific for 2 to 8 degrees Celsius refrigerators. This model are factory set to 5 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the air inside the chamber does not get colder than 2 degrees Celsius or warmer than 8 degrees Celsius. Now we will go to the weakness of refrigeration. The first weakness is the ventilation system. It's present inside the fridge. It tends to dry food and make it dry. For this reason, it is always advisable to wrap food in sling film or place it in special containers that allow you to keep all the characteristics of the food intact. The second weakness is the cost. This type of application has higher cost than refrigeration of other types. In general, however, a high cost at the time of purchase translates into subsequent savings thanks to lower consumption. Next is solution for weakness refrigeration. Fill it up. Refrigerators need thermal mass to maintain low temperature. Cool foods and drinks have absorbed warm air that streams in when you open the door. If you are the eat out type or your fridge is too big for your needs, store a few jugs of water in there. Next, be prepared. If the power goes out, keep the door closed and use food from the pantry. An unopened refrigerator will keep food safe for 4 hours. A freezer will maintain its temperature for 48 hours if full and 24 hours if half full. For price and promotion, the price of a Hitachi brand refrigerator is 3,199 ringgit. But their company holds a 10% discount to their customers who buy Hitachi product on their birthday. In conclusion, the invention of the refrigerator had a global impact. It changed the way of life as many traditions disappear. The refrigerator has also improved the quality of life because meat, fish, and fresh fruits now can be transported to almost any place. That's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.